Before legends were born, the gods made war, and the world was never the same. In a time of ancient gods and unspeakable evil, only one warrior dares to stand against the coming storm. The world is dying, but the gods are watching, and the last battle is about to begin. To fight the darkness, he must first face the ancient power that lies within. As the rituals of old awaken, so does the truth of his destiny. Can he master the forces of the gods, or will they consume him first? Betrayal, the deepest wound a warrior can feel. As allies turn to enemies, the world becomes a battlefield, not just of blood, but of broken trust. With his closest friend turned foe, will he rise or fall in the face of darkness? The gods have spoken. The final battle has come. He must rise, not as a warrior, but as a legend. With the fate of the world in his hands, will he answer the call of the gods, or will he fall like so many before him? In the end, it all comes down to this: the last stand. With his world crumbling, his allies fallen, and the darkness closing in, will he be the hero they need, or will he be the last to fall? Ragnarok, the last stand, the final chapter of the greatest battle ever fought.
Imagine this. What if you could create ultra-realistic cinematic shots, just like Hollywood or Netflix-level productions, without needing to hire a crew or learn complex filmmaking skills? What if I told you that with just a few clicks, you could produce stunning films with absolutely zero prior production knowledge? Sounds impossible, right? Well, think again, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that using a revolutionary tool called Cinema Studio by HiggsField. Stay tuned to see how it works, how you can use it for your own project, and why this could completely change the way you approach video content creation. Today's video is sponsored by HiggsField, an AI platform known for its high-quality image and video generation models. And in this video, we'll be diving into their latest feature, Cinema Studio. This tool allows you to create crystal clear, hyper-realistic cinematic shots without needing any production knowledge or experience. From generating realistic characters to full cinematic videos, it's all integrated into a single, easy-to-use workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your very own movie-quality scenes, fast and effortlessly. To get started, head to the first link in the video description to access Cinema Studio. Once you're on the HiggsField homepage, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's fast and simple. Just click the sign up button at the top right. Choose Google to quickly sign in, and you'll be redirected to your personal dashboard. Now that you're logged in, hover over the video feature at the top left and select Cinema Studio Video. This is where the magic happens. In this studio, you can generate both images and videos, all within one platform. No need to switch tabs or tools. Let's begin by generating some images that will later turn into cinematic shots. The best part? You can create a series of shots from one character. Think of it like a movie where the same character plays different roles. First, we need to create our main character. Click on the image icon to switch to image mode. Then, open the prompt document from the link in the description and copy the first prompt, our character description. Paste it into the prompt box. Before hitting generate, let's set up the scene. For batch size, select 4 images so we can choose the best version of our character. Set the resolution to 4K. For the camera, select IMAX film camera, the lens to Zeiss Ultra Prime, and the focal length to 8mm. This setup will cost you about 16 credits. Now, hit generate and let's see the magic unfold. Once the images are ready, we'll choose the best one and download it by clicking on the little download arrow below the image. We now have our cinematic hero ready for the next step. Before we dive into video generation, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and ensures you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Now, let's continue. Let's move into video generation. Click on the video icon to switch to video mode. Here, we get a ton of new features that other AI platforms simply don't offer. For instance, instead of writing out complex camera movement prompts, you can choose from pre-built, previewable camera movement presets. This saves time and eliminates errors. You can also generate up to 10-second clips with sound included. No need to switch tools for sound generation. You can even add slow motion effects to your scenes and generate up to 4 concurrent videos at the same time. Let's get started with the first video. To upload the hero shot we created earlier, click the first frame icon and upload the image you just downloaded. Then, copy and paste the video prompt into the box. Set your camera movement to camera follows, the duration to 10 seconds, and batch size to 2. Hit generate and watch the AI work its magic. Look at that. It's a high-quality cinematic shot. The details, the camera movements, it's everything you'd expect from a professional production. Now, let's keep generating more shots to build out the entire scene. Before we proceed, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We're just getting started, and you won't want to miss the rest of the content I have for you. Now, let's generate additional scenes. We'll keep using the same character to ensure consistency across all shots. Simply copy and paste the second prompt, adjust your camera movements, and hit generate. I'll repeat this process for the other scenes. And once all the scenes are ready, we can download them. Once all your scenes are downloaded, you can use tools like CapCut to assemble them into a full video. The process is super easy, and the results will be professional-level cinematic content. By the way, if you want to unlock more advanced tools like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.0, and other powerful models, I recommend checking out HiggsField's paid plans. They offer basic, pro, ultimate, and creator plans. And with the December promotions, you can get access to all of these features and more for an entire year. Before we wrap up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay tuned, because there are even more tips and tricks coming up in future videos to help you take your video production to the next level. As you can see, with Cinema Studio by HiggsField, creating high-quality cinematic videos has never been easier. Whether you're looking to make movie-quality content for social media, ads, or even educational videos to sell, this tool can help you get there faster and with less effort. If you need more help getting started with user-generated content, check out my recent video for some tips. I'll link it in the description below and pin it on the screen. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all our latest tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.